Respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented of my respectful request. So yesterday we also discussed about Bhajan Rasa, composed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Actually, Bhajan Rasa Grantha is called the due part of Harinam Chintamani. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he was in Godru, then he also chanted holy names and recited the slokas, and that slokas of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he wrote notebooks. Then he gave to that slokas to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Then later Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely, he manifested this grantha that is called Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Yesterday I told sadhan and bhajan. Generally people they are thinking sadhan and bhajan both things. But in our Goswamis, in their commentary, explain sadhan and bhajan not same thing. Sadhan, that is called practice, how to attain our perfection goal, and also how to remove all kinds of our anarthas from our heart. So bhakti, three types of bhakti: sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. Kriti saddha, bhavit saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakata hridi sadhati. This is the definition of sadhana bhakti. Learn or not? Learn everybody. Kriti saddha, bhavit saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakata hridi sadhati. That means one who practices devotional service to Lord and with his body, mind and speech, kaimon dehavak, then his aim and object, how to receive on the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasis, and simultaneously how to remove all the anarthas from his heart. So kriti saddha, bhavit saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakatang hridi sadhati. So that means sadhana bhakti is two functions. One is called how to our heart will neat and clean. Pavitraman, pavitra hridaya. If our heart is not neat and clean, Govinda will not manifest in our heart. So neat, pavitra hridaya. Pavitra means pure heart. So now question is, how will you purify your heart? Then this is the process also. Sadhan, we practice. Saddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anarthrute, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. So Shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti, then bhav bhakti, or after bhav bhakti, then coming prema bhakti. So sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. Then again also explain this bhakti, also this, that is called arup siddha bhakti, sangha siddha bhakti and sarup siddha bhakti. different kinds of bhakti also. First, that is called arup. Arup means imposing. Conditional soul has no spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, because so many unearths in their heart. So have to impose arup. Then sangha siddha, sangena siddha jayati, sangha siddha, with the association of sadhu. Then slowly all the good qualification will come. Satsangena. Satsanga. Without satsanga, our heart will never neat and clean. Krishna bhakti janmamul hoy sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna bhakti, that is called association with sadhu, sadhu sangha. And yesterday I told different kinds of sadhu. And also we discussed the symptoms of the sadhu. Yesterday I told Samanya Lakshan, Vishesh Lakshan, Sarvottama Gujja Lakshan. Sadhana Lakshan, general symptom or qualities of sadhus. Yesterday I told. Or the sadhana Lakshan of sadhu. Titikshava Karunika, Suhida Sarvadehina, Ajata Satrava, and Santu Sadhu Eva Bhushanam. You understand? What is the slope? Titikshava Karunika. Titikshava means tolerance. Titikshava. Karunika, very giving mercy to the others living in Karuna, compassion. Shuhida Sarva Dehinam. He makes the friendship with all the living entities. That is called Karunika, Shuhida Sarva Dehinam. Or Ajata Satrava. He never thinks he is my enemy. He has no enemies. Or fifth, Shanta. His mind is very calm and quiet. This is the person. So, Titikshava Karunika Suhida Sarvadehina. So, this sloka also we studied. This is a perfect manifested in the heart of Yudhishthira Maharaj. He gave example. Topmost example, Yudhishthira Maharaj. Titikshava. Sons. Karunika is very compassion, giving love and affection. Shuhida Sarvadehina. He makes the friendship with all the living entities. So yesterday I told Yudhishthira Maharaj, he never the name of Duryodhana. He always used Suryodhana. And his mind always calm and quiet. Because one who completely surrendered to Krishna, Krishnaika Saranam, then he calm and quiet. Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. Understand this? So then is someone then Vishesh Lakshan, special also Kripalu, Akradudor, Satta, Samasar, Badano, Kogi, Daksha, Mauni. In this also one is called Krishnaika Saranam. There are 26 qualities of sadhu. And one quality that is called Krishnaika Saranam. This is called Sarup Lakshan. Sarup Lakshan is direct symptoms of sadhu. Krishnaika Saranam. Krishna, he is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. कृष्ण ही का सर्वनाम है। राखे हरि मारे के, मारे हरि राखे के। कृष्ण ही इज माई मेंटेनर, कृष्ण इज माई प्रोटेक्टर। इफ कृष्ण विल किल टू मी, हु कैन प्रोटेक्ट मी? और इफ कृष्ण प्रोटेक्ट मी, नो वन किल टू मी। दिस इज द प्रोसेस। कृष्ण ही का सर्वनाम है। Then Vishesh Gujjatama as topmost sadhu, how to serve to Krishna, Krishna Seva. The topmost sadhu, that is called Srimati Radhika. And 24 hours absorbed, and how will serve to Krishna. Srimati Radhika, day and night, what she is thinking? How Krishna will please. Aslisva padaratang pinustama mad adusana karduba yatha tathava vidhatu lampatu mat prananatastu saivana para. Srimati Radhika, day and night, this thinking. All gopis are thinking, but Srimati Radhika is topmost. So bhakti this way also. Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan. All the activities exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan. Or Krishnarthe akhil bhogat tyag. What did he say? Krishnarthe akhil bhogat tyag. For the pleasure of Krishna also, give up all kinds of enjoyment. How Krishna will be happy. I have to give an example, sweet example also. Krishna will be happy or not? Srimati Radhika is thinking. Once in Radha Kunda, the swimming, what is it called? Competition is going on.
Swimming competition.
Going on this. Both are very experts to swim. Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Lalita, Vishakha, they are watching. All the Sakhis, they are watching. Who is the referee? Referee, understand? Lalita Devi, she is taking the whistle. If anybody to disrail, or then anyway in competition is going on, referee need. Football match or volleyball match, anything. Referee is important. He is give the
punishment.
Judgment. You are wrong or not. So very nice, beautiful going on. So Radha and Krishna, both they are swimming competition, side by side. And Srimati Radhika almost coming to the shore of the Radha Kunda. Just maybe 2 or 3 meters left. So all the Sakhis, they are making claps. Jai Ho Radha Rani, Jai Ho Radha Rani ki. How many meters? Maybe 3 meters rest. Krishna is now back. Krishna is now back of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika very far away. So just 3 meters ki 4 meters rest. So all the Sakhi making claps, Radhe Radhe, Jai Ho Radhe, all glory to Srimati Radhe. Or here Sakhas, they are also making claps. What do you say? Jai Ho Krishna, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. But Krishna now behind of Srimati Radhika. So, but just 3 meters rest, no? Then Srimati Radhika, she also, what is called? Bent sink in the water. Or Krishna very quickly jump. And Krishna touch the point. Now all Sakhas making glasses. Oh, Jai, Jai Ho Krishna, Jai Ho, Jai. So Srimati Radhika, see now? Defeat. So all the Sakhis, they asked to Srimati Radhika, hey, why did you to sink in the water? Go down. Why? All you are making claps, you are Jai Ho, Jai Ho. And now you defeat. Why? Srimati Radhika, she gave very nice, beautiful answer. She said, actually, when I was swimming in the water, I know I will win because I am very forward. But when I turn my face toward Krishna, then Krishna is saying, in his eyes. Eyes, understand? Everybody can speak with eyes. So Srimati Radhika, she is saying with his eyes, hey Radhe, every day you win. But today please give me chance to win. So for this regard, today's Krishna, he wants to win. So for this guy, knowingly to sink in the water. Vrindavan Vihari. So this is called Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta. Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta. How Krishna will be happy. All the activities and endeavors exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna will be happy. So for this guy, Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta. Krishna Sukh. Krishna Sukh hetu Gopi ka sab kare vyavahar. Gopis, all their activities exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sukh. Because especially Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. Akeli Sri Radha jani Krishna Hridaya. Only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. Understand? This is the process. So bhakti is two things we will do. Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Prayan or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhagatte. So sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. So now sadhan, sadhak first perform sadhan bhakti. And already I told sadhan bhakti two function. One is called, what is they called? Sadhan bhakti two things. First aim and object, how to attain the sprinkle mood of the Brajavashi. Kriti Saddha, Vivit Saddha, Sazadana Vida, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavashra Prakattam Kriti Saddhati. Or second, how to remove all the anarthas from our heart. Yesterday I told, in sadhak heart many kinds of anarthas. So sadhana bhakti, these two functions, as like washing machine. Washing machine? What they are doing? Wash all the dirt, cloth, dirt. So, and cleaning. In the same way, sadhana bhakti is this, how to remove all these anarthas. And simultaneously, how to receive on the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasi. Bhav bhakti is sadhana. Then we also discuss sadhana bhakti. Bhava bhakti will come. And when heart will be neat and clean, on the platform of Suddha Sattva. That's because in the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Hladini will manifest. Then our heart will be neat, heart will be very soft. Sambit means transcendental knowledge will come. Or Hladini, the blissfulness will come. Ananda. These things. So on the platform of Sandhini, then two things come in. That is called Sambit and Hladini. Sambit means transcendental knowledge automatically come. Chidgyan. What do you say? Chidgyan. Chid means transcendental knowledge will come. Or another, Hladini, Ananda. This will come. So Suddha Sattva, then heart will be very soft. Ruchi bhi, kanti bhi. Suddha Sattva, prema sujam bhava. Ruchi bhi chitta marsana kridasu, kridasu. That is bhava uchyate. Then slowly all kinds of symptoms, Ashasattik, Vika, Romancha, Kampasru, and 8 ecstatic symptoms will manifest. Slowly this way. And this is the process also. And then slowly we realize our transcendental constituent form, Shuddha Deha. And with our Shuddha Deha we can serve to Lord. With the 49 types of ingredients will come also. What are the 49 of ingredients? One sthai bhav will come. Sthai bhav, fixed mood will come. Then 7 gauna ras. 1 sthai bhav. 7 gauna ras. And hasya, adbhut, karun, veer, vibhatsa. And this is called the gauna ras. Gauna means secondary rasas will come. There will be nourishment to and sthai bhav. So 7 and 1, 7 and 1, 8. And then coming Sattvik Vikar. Romancha, Kampasu, Vaivarna, Didi. So 16th. And then 33 types of Sanchari Bhav, and they will come. So in this way, how many? 49 ingredients. Then heart we release rasa Brahman. This is the process also. But before many activities there are. And Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattik, Vyabhichari, and Alamban, Uddipan, Asraya Alamban, then Visaya Alamban. And there are many things you have to learn this. And how this slowly, all the ingredients come. So now coming in this way, sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, then prema bhakti. Because love is very, very rare also. Not so easy to manifest it in the heart of sadhak. Sadhak cannot tolerate the prem in this body also. When sadhak will come in the stage of roti or bhav, that time sadhak will give up this body. Because love, prema, what is called? Strong, not so easy to tolerate this body. And when sadhaka will give up this body, then by the causeless mercy of Krishna, and Yogmaya will get a transcendental body. Then slowly everything will manifest. This is the process. Just we also discussed this thing. Sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, and prema bhakti, arup siddha, sangha siddha, and sarup siddha bhakti. Bhakti, many kinds of definition, many kinds of bhakti also. The topmost bhakti, that is called annabhilasita sunnam jnana karmadana britam anukulena krishnanushilanam bhakti uttama. So now coming in this way, how will attain our highest perfection goal? Understand or no? What do you write? Everything.
Certain stage of sadhana bhakti, sandhini will come, and then
That is called the bhav bhakti. No? Sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, and prema bhakti. Sadhana bhakti to function, clean the heart, and how to receive on the sprinkle mood of Brajavasis. Bhava bhakti is coming all this way. Kriti Suddha Satta, Vijayatma, Prema Sujjang Sambhavaka, Ruchi Chittamarshana, Kidasu Bhavuchyati. If you learn this sloka, easy to explain. And if you don't learn this sloka, it's very difficult to explain. So learn this verse. Sadhana bhakti definition and bhav bhakti definition. Learning or not? Not yet. Learn. Then prema bhakti. Then also the arup siddha, sangha siddha, sarup siddha bhakti. Arup means imposing, conditioned soul. The bhajan and sadhana they together. For first in the beginning, imposing. Arup. Or then sangha siddha with the association of sadhu. Then good qualification will come. That is called sangena siddha jayate iti sangha siddha. So samanya lakshan and vishesh lakshan. Samanya means simple and symptom will come. And or sadhus vishesh lakshan. Kripalu, Akrita Dosh, Satta Samasar, Badano, Kavi, Daksha, Mauni. Sadgun automatically coming. Good qualification. You understand? This is the process also. So which stage are you?
0.
Start from 0, then you will become hero. Start in 0. 0 come to hero. Good or not?
You're the hero. Okay.
0 and hero. If you not start from 0, out of it. Everything start from 0 or not?
Yes.
This thing. So just I also explain. What did he say? Samanya lakshan and vishesh lakshan. What is samanya lakshan in English? What did I say? Simple and symptoms. Who is called sadhu and how the good qualification will come. This is the process also. Samanya lakshan. Or vishesh symptom will come. Kripalu, Akrita Dosh, Satta Samasar, Vadano, Kavi, Daksha, Mauni. 26 types of good qualities will come. But this is not also enough. Then again come high stage Sadhu good, Sarvagujjatama symptoms. Have to completely surrender to Srimati Radhika. Because already we told the good qualities, we also Kripalu, Akrituddha, Satyama, there is one is called, remember, just I told. Krishnaika Saranam. What did he say? Krishnaika Saranam. Completely surrendered to Krishna. And Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. Krishnaika Saranam. That is the Sarup Lakshan. What Lakshan? Sarupa Lakshan. Or then coming highest symptom is sadhu. Srimati Radhika. And I like Srimati Radhika completely surrendered to Krishna. And Krishna Sukh Hetu Kare Sab Vyavahar. Srimati Radhika, all her activities exclusive pleasure for Krishna. She performs all her activities for the pleasure of Krishna. Even her anger, man, for Krishna's pleasure. Whatever she is doing, everything is exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sugata. Chandravali cannot do this. Who do it? Only Srimati Radhika. He was saying, Krishna Sukh Hetu Gopika Sab Kare Vyavahar. Even they are eating, sleeping, everything is your Krishna Sukh. Dressing very nice cloth, nice ornaments, alankar. Why? Krishna will pay. Gopikar nahi dihasmriti. Gopika, they have no bodily conception. But still also they are doing everything. How? The Krishna Sukhetu. How Krishna will be happy? This is the process. So now coming in this sadhu, different kinds of sadhu, Gyani sadhu. Then Gyani Bhakta, Suddha Bhakta, Premik Bhakta, Prem Par Bhakta, Prematur Bhakta. Different Bhakta, 5 types of Bhakta also. Gyani Bhakta, Prahlad Maharaj. Suddha Bhakta, Ambarish Maharaj. Premik Bhakta, Hanumanji. Prem Par Bhakta, Pandavas. Or Prematur Bhakta, Uddhava. Or Gopis Brajavasi, they are called the crowns and jewels of all the devotees of Lord. They call Bhakta Mukut Siramani. What did he say? Siramani. Crowns and jewels of all the devotees of Lord. Bhakta Mukut Siramani. Srimati Radhika topmost. So Srimati Radhika, she is sadhu, topmost sadhu. 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 All kinds of person in the heart. So now coming in this way, sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema, many things we will discuss. Bhajan Rahasya Grantha Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this way explain sadhan and bhajan. Bhajan we also discussed that we are direct to serve our Ishtadev with our Siddhadev. Mane mane Siddhadeha Kariya Bhavan Ratri Dine Radha Krishna Karahi Sevan. Mane mane Siddhadeha Kariya Bhavan. Those high class exalted devotees. And in their transcendental conscious form, remembering to Krishna, serve to Krishna. 2 kinds of seva also there. One is called Sarvasiki, another is called सब भूल जाते हैं।
One
And-
transcendental form and one was
तो सारसिक चिंतन एंड अरे सारसिक मैंने विथ हिज ओन 24 hours absorbs to Krishna. That is अष्टकालीन लीला और मंत्रमयी सेवा, मंत्रमयी उपासना. अरे उपासना means service. Just use the word difference. मंत्रमयी उपासना and it is called sarasic upasana. When you use this word, then forget. Understand? Same color, just change. Then you forget. So just to tell you, one is called mantramayi upasana, another is called sarasi upasana. This is the process. And sadhak stage, mantramayi upasana. Or when you siddha stage, that is called sarasiki. Sarasiki, is to serve your Ishtadev with his own rasa. Hanuman, he serves to Ramchandra, Dasaras. Subal, Sridham, they serve to Krishna with their Shakharas. Nanda, Jasoda, they serve to Krishna with their parental mood, Vatsalaras. Or Gopi, they serve to Krishna, Madhurya's conjugal mood. And in this way, sadhak absorbed in the sarasiki seva. Or mantramayi upasana, chanting mantra in one slokas and do this. Remembering. Mantra. Where is the Gopal mantra? Gopal mantra, how many melodies, rasa is there? 3. Krishna, Govinda and Gopijana Vallabha. Krishna, Govinda, Gopi. Krishna, that is called Sakharas. Krishna. Govinda, that is called Vatsalaras. Or Gopijana Vallabha, Madhurya is coming. Very nice, beautiful explanation. Many times I told you, forget. Mantrartha Dipika, mantra, so Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely explained this. So one mantra, remembering. Just you want to make one garland, need some flowers. You can make garland, 2 types of garland. You get one garland, only one color of the flowers, the garland. Or another, different types of flowers you are making garland. Understand? Did you make garland or not?
Yes.
Yesterday, here nobody.
They told us they made them all prepared already.
Huh?
They said they kept it in the fridge. They were supposed to.
I was supposed to bring it out.
I was wondering exactly.
Understand? Gathiya malatir mala diva duhar gale, adhare tuliya diva, korpuratam, Radha Krishna, pranamora, jugal kishora, jivane marane goti, aro nahi mora. Gathiya malatir mala diva duhar gale. Nattam Das Thakur, very nice. This mood is come. So now coming in this way, mantramayi upasana, and it is called sarasik upasana. So in this way, bhajan and sadhan. So first that is called Nishanta Lila, Nishanta Bhajan. Then Pratak Kali Bhajan. Step by step. Nishanta Bhajan, that is called end of night. Nisa Anta Nishanta. Or Sadhak Nishanta Bhajan means when all the anarthas removed from our heart. And Shraddha to anartha nivritti. Nishanta hoy. Sadhaks heart, so many kinds of anarthas also there. Lust, anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal, many things. So remove. Nisa anta. Anta means
Nisha's night, Anta's end.
end.
So end of night.
When our end of night will come?
Anarthas are
Night time, all the anarthas are coming. Bhoot, pet, pishach. Understand? Ghost, snake, tiger, all the precious animals, they are coming what time? Night time. Or when end of night, then all they also are hide. Understand? Look there. Daytime they are not coming out. They don't like to come in the daylight. Ghost, what time coming? Night time. In your room, ghost coming. Ghost coming or not? In your room, ghost? Sometimes afraid, then whole night.
The little light.
Light. Many people, they like this. Oh, I afraid. Put light or not? When? There is no ghost, I think.
Can ghosts come with Tulsi? Okay.
Who chanting holy names and Tulsi Mala, ghost not come. Or if ghost will come, he wants to deliver. And chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. महावीर के नाम लवे है ना जैसे
महावीर
जब नाम सुनावे
नासे रोग हरे सब पीर जो सुमिरे
भूत पिशाची सब पला महावीर है हनुमान जी when chanting Ram नाम then ghost run है भगवत नाम is very powerful. हरि से बड़ा हरि का नाम है. Understand? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. So नाम हरि नाम कलियुग में केवल नाम आधारा सुमेर सुमेर नर उतरी ही पार. कलियुग is नाम हरि नाम. You give more emphasis to chanting holy names. But in the beginning, you chanting holy names, most that is called Namaparad. Sadai Namaparad Kabhu Namabhas. ये सब जानियो भाई कृष्ण भक्ति बात. But again chanting these holy names, then also Namaparad disappear. If you say, okay, I am chanting holy name, this is Namaparad. But Shastra is saying, no, don't worry, chant holy name. And pray to Lord. Answer. Gopinath mamani vedana suna ami visayi durjana sada kamarata kichu nahi mor guna. Gopinath mamani vedana suna. Then all anarthas will slowly disappear. The anartha is going not one time. Okay? 5 stages. Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudashi Vartini, Praiki, Purna and Atantiki. This is the process. So very carefully. But we chanting holy names and again also committing offense, aparad. oh, there is a big problem. Chant holy names and give up the offenses. Give up offenses. Aparad chadi like Krishna Nam. And especially you have to consider 10 offenses of the holy name, Dasavidana Aparad. Satang Ninda. First is called Satang Ninda, never criticize any sadhu. Shivadi Nam ki samatta buddhi. If you think Krishna Nam equals Shiva Nam, there is offense. Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of God, Sang Bhagavan. Or Shiva, he is the servant of Krishna. So Krishna Nam and Shiva are not both the same. Third, Guru Avagga. Never dishonor to Guru. So in this step by step do bhajan and sadhana. Then anarthas remove from Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudeshi Vartini, Praiki, Purna and Attantik. And Purna, Ekadashi Vartini, one part of anartha removed from the heart of sadhak at the stage of Shraddha to Shraddha Sadhu Sangha Bhajanak. Anartha Nritti. Ekadashi Bahudesha Vartini. Bahudesha Vartini means most part of the anarthas. More than 50%, 60, 70, 80% going. Then Praiki, almost all anarthas removed from in the heart of sadhu, in the stage of asakti. Then Purna Bhavadasha. Complete. No anartha in there, but some smell is there. And if you put the camphor in the one what is it called, box and container and close, and again you take out there the camphor from the box. Camphor is not in there, but some smell comes. And so in the same way, in the stage of Bhavadasha, anartha is not in there, but some smell of anartha. That is called maybe some aparad, Vaishnava aparad. No Vaishnava aparad, but the smell of Vaishnava aparad is in there. And for this sadhak, again we will also and what is called, bind with the Maya. Mukta ropi punabandhanam. What do you say? Those who are liberated person, and Maya can again bind. So mukta ropi punah bandhan. Maya is very powerful and not so easy to easy to go out from the clutches of Maya. Maya is very powerful. Devi Jesa Gunamai Mamamaya Drattaya Mami Bija Prabhaddante Maya Metang Tarante. Or then coming in the stage of Prema Dasa. Prema Dasa, that is called Attanti. Anartha. Again will not come back. Bhav Dasa maybe come back, some chance. But Prem manifested one's heart. Evang brata sapraya nama kritva jatanurago dvijauchai hasati ototo rodoti roti gayanunmadvar nityati lokavajya. Sinnan subhadrani rathangapane janmani karmani jani chaloke namani gitani tadarthakani gayanunmadavat nityati lokavajya. Two slokas is very important. Prem manifested one's heart. This is also symptom. Sinnan subhadrani rathangapani janmani karmani jani chaloke namani gitani tadarthakani gayanunmadavat nityati lokavajya. Gan Unmada what Nityati Lokavajya. That time when prema manifestation only. He sometimes dancing, singing, rolling on the ground. He is not looking to the others. Who is giving glorify or who? What is it called? Criticize. Nothing. Because he absorbs with Krishna's sweet pastimes. Sometimes dancing, sometimes rolling on the ground, sometimes crying. Because these types of lila, Krishna's sweet lila manifest in here. Sometimes meeting lila or sometimes separation manifest. For this lila, sometimes dancing, sometimes also rolling on the ground, sometimes crying. These are all lila automatically come, not imaginary, spontaneous. Prema and Tyar Shulinda. But these types of premic sadhak is premic jan very, very rare to take that. Not so easy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crying and crying. Tyar Shulinda. So this lila will come. Okay. So step by step do bhajan and sadhana. You do bhajan and sadhana and control your mind. Always pacify your mind. Don't you go to Maya. Every day you read Vajigrantha, Manasiksha, pacify your mind. Upadeshamrita, Manasiksha. Or Sikshastakam. Learn these slokas. Pratishta sadhishta sapacharani medhi natit. Kathang sadhu premna sujirita nunumana. Guru gushte gushtlesu sujanis bhusargan samamti damni Sri Navajiva danda sarane sada dhamma hitva kuti atita rama aye santarhasta chotuvi abhijate dhitapada. Hold the faith of your mind. Mind is very flickery. So how to hold? Tightly hold the faith of mind and pacify sweet words, flattering words. Understand? Everybody wants flattering words or not? Do you understand? Mind only. Give that. And once one crow, he got one piece of cheese. Cheese, understand? Paneer. Once crow got one piece of paneer and sitting on top of the branch of the tree. In the meantime, one jackal came. Jackal noticed, oh, that's the paneer on the beak of the crow. Then think, I have to take this. Then jackal is very clever, he was saying, oh, you are my best friend. And so long time I did not see to you. I know you are very nice singer. Oh, look how you are very nice, beautiful form. Though you are blackish, so much effulgence coming from your body. So much glorified to it. Jackal, he glorified to crow. Oh, you are very nice, you are my best friend. So long time, maybe 10, 15 years I did not see to you. Remembering this. And then crow when heard this, then crow become very puffed. Or receiving own glorification, he become very puffed. Then jackal continued to, oh, you are a great singer, I know. So long time I did not hear your voice. Just want to chant. Then crow become very puffed. Then he opened his mouth, ka, ka, Crow, what is he saying? Ka, ka. Then the paneer fell down. Then jackal took and ran. Or crow, well, continue. Ka, ka, ka. Varo Vrindavan Vihari. What is why you are giving the example, this story? So in this way, every day, you also pacify your mind. Oh mind, don't go to Maya. Abhyas and vairagya grijyate. Practice abhyas and vairagya. Renounce from the object of the all senses. This is the process. And all our senses automatically going, and that is called object of the senses. And our eyes are going where the very nice, beautiful form. Nose are going where the nice, beautiful, fragrant smell coming, without invitation coming. Chakku karna, our ears going in where? Very nice, beautiful, sweet sound. Our tongue want to eat very nice, sweet food. Ja karna rasana. Our skin want to touch the very nice, soft, hard, or and warm or cool. Now we are cold, too much AC. Sometimes in my room I cannot to tolerate it. Cold. Cold. Here we say, no need to AC. Well, okay. In your room AC or not?
Yeah. We have AC set at 80 degrees.
It's not so
So it doesn't really. It just circulates.
Celsius, they have heater, not AC.
Heater?
It's really,
we keep it on a high temperature.
How many?
just to circulate the air in the room we have, because the windows are closed, and the fan we have.
We put the fan on to circulate the air.
Okay. Good Premanande, 9 o'clock to take prasad. Then again, 11 o'clock. Today is Sunday, 11 to 1 o'clock.